The stadium site did flood.
Mm-hmm.
Part of the flooding was actually from Murphy Canyon Creek, that it crested the bank up there because the river was so backed up, the creek stopped flowing into the river and just went over the banks and flowed into the parking lot. So now with the creek cleaned up, mitigated, that allows that creek to function properly. And
we're talking about, is it Murphy Canyon?
Murphy Canyon Creek.
Murphy Canyon Creek, which the university took over when they took this place on.
Yep.
And it's just because this is so similar to what I'm seeing there, because they're flooding, is because of Choyas Creek.
Yes.
How does the maintenance work? How often do you maintain it? And also, what is the difference between native and non-native plants in the way the creek works?
Yeah. So the initial mitigation work, we spent about 3 months pulling out the trash, pulling out the additional sediment and the non-natives. And we installed irrigation lines on either side of the creek, where we've planted, natives like willows, grasses, and some other materials I could probably get you the list. And so the sprinkler system is designed to just water those until they're really established. And we'll spend the next 5 years during this long-term establishment period to just make sure that all the new trees, all the new plants will take root and grow back in. And anytime arundo or palms or some of those other non-natives come up, we'll be able to pull those out. I could probably get you in touch with the biologist that could tell you why the non-natives are such a problem, besides just being so intrusive. But a lot of times these non-natives are so much more aggressive with their seed droppings and their sprouts that they will take over areas. Their seeds will go downriver and take over areas, and then it really changes the habitat for the local plant life and animal species and bird species.
And then what happens, the soil is kind of saturated with plants and it can't absorb the water.
Especially the arundo, which is that bamboo looking plant.
We got so much bamboo down there.
Yeah, it really traps in a lot of sediment and causes that buildup, and then it really changes the alluvial plain of the river and the drainage, and so arundo's been a challenge.
Awesome.